and they're just the release mechanism. You pull them and you just lift up on the drawer. There's lots of different types of drawer slides to use for drawer boxes and cabinets. We use the Blum brand, Blum Motion line of drawer slides that are slow close. And I'm going to demonstrate here how to remove and reinstall a drawer box. So first thing I'll show you is just how this operates. You push the drawer shut and it slow closes. Quietly, you can slam it and it will slow close. It won't even let you slam it. All right. So the way that you remove these, it's a lot easier than most drawer boxes, is underneath, down here, there's some clips, and they're just the release mechanism. You pull them and you just lift up on the drawer. So I'll turn this drawer around so you can see how those clips are mounted. At the back of the drawer, there's notches that we have to cut into the drawer box, and there's some holes and slots on the back of the drawer too, that there's some metal parts on the slide that have to fit into there. If you look at these drawer slides here, remember these are undermount slides, not side mount. There's these little metal pokey things on the back, and then there's these slots on the front. These click into the orange clips. These are the parts that go into the slots on the back of the drawer. So I'm going to show you how to reinstall this drawer, because a lot of times if you don't know how to do it, you're not going to be able to do it. And it's really easy though. So first thing I want to tell you is wear a glove or use a towel or something, because you're going to be grabbing the underside of these metal tracks and they're super, super sharp. So I'm just showing you right here so you can see before I put the drawer up here how you're going to grab it. But this is what we're going to grab, and you're going to be able to slide it back and forth. So I'm going to take the drawer. I'm going to set it on top of the slides, just like that. So just because it's on top of the slides, it's not finished yet. Once again, you're going to reach up underneath. You're going to grab hold of that. Again, make sure you wear a glove or use a towel. And you'll listen for a click. You're going to pull it forward till it clicks. Go over to the other side, pull it forward, click, and now the drawer's in.